we want to solve a simple integration problem, and this one actually uses u-substitution. So it's sine of root x over root x dx. We could let u equals root x here, and then we use the power rule as this is x to the 1/2. And you could do it yourself, but we basically get 1 over 2 root x dx. And then in terms of dx, we get dx is equal to 2 root x because we multiply this. So now let's substitute. We have sine u over u, and then we'll put in a 2 root x du. 2 root x du. So u is equal to root x, so that cancels out. And then we have a 2 here. So let's put the 2 on the outside because it's a constant. So now we have 2 sine u du. And the integral of sine u is negative cosine u. So then we have 2 times negative cos u, and then we add the constant of integration plus c. And now here we could substitute back for u. So we have negative 2 cos, and u is root x plus c. And we're done.